This is Dhanvantari temple. Is dedicated by the Eri group of institution medical college, St. Peter's Medical College, and this Dhanvantari temple is dedication is going on. That is why they are building very good nice things. You know very that who is Dhanvantari? Dhanvantari is that and Dhanvantari is that doctor of that Ayurveda, Indian medicines, and also health and Ayurvedic medicines, health and wealth. Dhanvantari, the god has came out from the oceans while Pandavas and there many peoples like churning that ocean with the help of that Vasuki and snake by the Devas and Devas and Duryodanas, Asuras, Devas and Asuras churning this Indian ocean with the help of this one mountains by them. First, for to extract the elixir of life, and in that amid the elixir, poison also came out. It was eaten by the Lord Shiva, and Dhanvantari also had come to the from the oceans, come out from the oceans with the vessel full of the medicines to alleviate the pandemic disease of this whole world, to save the people from that health, from that medicines only. They have invested this medical college, St. Peter's Medical College of College Hospital and Research Institutions. Medical College Hospital and Research Institution is established nearby this temple. The temple dedications to bless all the patients to who will come. The grassing work is going on here. Then tiffin, so far tiffin had been given to the devotees who had come over here, and lunch is also ready. Is ready to serve, ready to be served to the devotees during the lunch time. From this, how that children's and very many thanks Dhanvantari temple. Dhanvantari's temple, so many more thing is developed. Some of this work will be completed, and very soon devotees are going over here with that great enthusiasm. People on that queue to get the blessings of this. But is a corporation. The gardening's work is going on. I think it will get that great opportunities. I am stepping on the steps towards that sanctums, how the many arches is established. I hope it will be permanent with that. And stepping on this, getting a small little distance. That's why the people have gathered here. It's a very good, nice, wonderful marble Dhanvantaris. People from here to that place of this Dhanvantari's temples, devotees are entering in that place, and over there I'm going round this newly erected temple. This work was happening. They have written explanations. Mahavishnu அவர்கள் அவதாரம், மகாவிஷ்ணுவினுடைய அவதாரமும் வைத்திய சாஸ்திரத்தின் ஆஸ்தான தேவனுமான ஸ்ரீ தன்வந்திரி மூர்த்திக்கு பாரதத்தில் விரல் விட்டு என்னும் அளவுக்குள் தான் கோவில்கள் உள்ளன என தன்வந்திரி மூர்த்தி இங்கு மனித சமுதாயத்திற்கு ஆனந்தமும் அனுகிரகங்களும் அருளிக்க கொண்டு அமர்ந்திருக்கிறார் என்பதை தெரியப்படுத்துவதில் சந்தோஷம் அடைகிறோம். சங்கு சத்திரம் ஜாலுகை அரு மிருகாசனமும் சதுர்மமாகும் நிலை கொண்ட தன்வந்திரி பகவானினுடைய கடவுள் சக்தி உட்கொண்டு தன்னை தேடி வரும் பக்தர்களுக்கு அருளையும் மன தூய்மையையும் புத்தி கூர்மையையும் சர்வ பாரி பொறுமான ஆரோக்கியத்தையும் பிரதானம் செய்கின்றார். பக்த கோடிகளே பகவானுக்கு செய்கின்ற வழிபாடு மூலமாக தன்னுடைய உடலில் அமைந்துள்ள பஞ்சபூதங்களை பகவானுக்கு சமர்ப்பணம் செய்து சுத்தம் செய்கிறோம். நிலம், நீர், நெருப்பு, காற்று, ஆகாயம் போன்றவைகளின் மூலமாக கடவுளுக்கு சமர்ப்பிக்கின்றோம். ஆகாயத்தில் மற்றும் 4 பூதங்களும் அடங்கியுள்ளன. அந்த ஆகாயத்தின் பிரதிதுருவமாக புஷ்பம் பூக்கள் பக்தர்கள் தேவனுக்கு சமர்ப்பணம் செய்து கடவுள் சைதான்ய சக்தியால் அவர்கள் சுத்தம் செய்யப்படுகிறார்கள். அதனால்தான் அர்ச்சனையை முக்கிய வழிபாடுகளாக நாம் நடத்தி வருகின்றோம். இதெல்லாம் மாணிக்கவாசகர் இஸ் ஆல்சோ யூஸ் டு அண்ட் சேட் ரிகார்டிங்ஸ் வித் தட் வானாகி மண்ணாகி வலியாகி ஒளியாகி ஊனாகி உயிராகி உண்மையுமாய் இன்மையுமாய் கோணாகி யான் எனது எனது என அவரவரை ஆட்டி உப்போனே வானாகி நின்றாயே என் சொல்லி வாழ்த்துவனே என் சொல்லி என்று சொல்லப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. ஐ எம் கம்மிங் அரவுண்ட் திஸ் விஷ்ணு துர்கை நரசிம்மர் and also and emerged from that the pillars to destroy the asuras. This is for that 9 planets. If you come round this area, it is equals to come round this all 9 planet, and we will be blessed by the god and goddesses for the some of these things. All the planets is based upon these things only. Horoscope is established, but I would like to complete at least 1 round with great effort. Should be finished. Then after that they have established something over there, pond, no? Water pond. I think the holy pond is established to do some worship and many more things in that place. This is that back side of the Dhanvantari temple. Andal is also one of the great devotees of this Perumal, and she fell in love with him, wrote many religious songs and many more things. Madapalli, some accountability, all the things established over here. Yes, Varahamurti. This for this statue, very big, huge temple, largest temple, which is remain in that stream Ushnam, between near that Neyveli, and a huge temple is that very biggest one for this Varahamurti, and someone is statue is established, and its name is likewise in that Ayaktuar. But something is happening now. Come round this one side before this dedication. Some process is going on with the manager is also traveling in that place. Thank you so much. This kind of temple is established. Prasadam is given. After that, great issues. Now I am going to get in to show that the main sanctums. This is also one of this temple is constructed over here. இது யாருங்க எல்லாம் the decorated things. They have some what is this? What is this? Nahar Sannadi, Nagar Sannadi, Nagarna the snake will be worshipped as that Nagar. Is that things? Some of these many more things are happening in that spot over there. The people enthusiastically getting into that area. Now I am getting into this area to worship. People to go by lines to get how this whole area is decorated with and whole light over here in that place. Thank you. And golden, many more things. Very good, nice, fantastic. Dhanwar temple is just placed in that over here. Thank you. See that Dhanvantri is from devotees have worship main sanctum.